Hello dear parents and students. In times like these, when the whole world stands still due to the outbreak of coronavirus, we at Synergy Academy of Science think that the education shouldn't stop. And that is why we are bringing you the live lectures on our YouTube channel.
You need to go to youtube.com and just type Synergy Academy of Science on the search bar, and you can get the access of these lectures which we will be posting.
So for getting the access to these live videos, please do subscribe our channel, and then you can press the bell icon and you'll get a notification whenever we are going live.
So the lectures which we have taken already are already in the playlist, so you can go through those lectures before getting into the next live session.
So these sessions will be for all the students of ICSE and CBSE 9th till 12th standard, also providing the counseling session for all the students who are moving from 10th to 11th. So if you need any help regarding the same, you can just contact us. For contacting us, kindly go to Google and search Synergy Academy of Science.